Hello, I'm Mark O'Connell from Agriculture Victoria, and welcome to the harvest facility here at Tatura. What I'm standing in front of today is a fruit grader, a sorting grader. It's a commercial grader, and it's equipped with a number of sensors to help us measure and understand fruit quality, both internal and external features of the fruit. And what we're really interested in is capturing the data of individual fruit to examine our experimental results from the field. We have a range of field experiments on stone fruit and pears at the research station here at Tatura, and a lot of experimental plots and measurements are required to understand those experimental treatments. And they include agronomic management like rootstocks, crop load, the amount of fruit we put on trees, irrigation management, training systems, etc. So I'll give you a quick run through of some of the features of this grader. It's yet to be fully commissioned, but basically the design is that it can individually weigh fruit, measure size and diameter, and in this box here there's a couple of sensors. There's a visual camera system and an infrared camera system, and that basically lets us measure the external features, the skin features of the fruit, including colour and blemish, limb rub, russet type features, for example. As we go down the line, we have another sensor called the NIR, which basically measures internal attributes of the fruit, and that could be sweetness and some other maturity indices and or water core in apple, for example. And then as we go into the next sensor, is a load cell here that weighs individual fruit. And obviously with the smart software, you collect that individual fruit data, and then you get to partition and sort that fruit into those groups of quality and size or colour that you decide. So that's pretty well the basics layout of the machine. And behind the machine, we have two new cool rooms, which will be able to obviously store large amounts of fruit once the harvests come in from the field. And behind that facility, we have two CA rooms where we'll have set up shortly some chambers to examine different atmospheres, e.g. for post-harvest transport, shipping, etc., or air freight type protocols.